Pack your hat, let's ride today. The safari jeep is on its way. Bouncing, rolling, here we go, through the grass where animals roam. Look, look, what do I see? A tall giraffe waving at me, stretching high to munch the trees. Hello, giraffe, wave back please. Stop, stop, big and round. An elephant shakes the ground. Flappy ears and a trunk so long, he trumpets loud with a silly song. Sneaky stripes, black and white, a zebra prances, what a sight. Clip clop hooves go tap tap tap, we clap along, clap clap clap. Swing swing, monkey crew, they chatter giggle ooh ooh ooh. They swing on vines up high so free, come and play up here with me. Creep creep through the grass, a stripy tiger sneaks so fast, with a pounce and a playful cheer. Roar roar roar, I'm over here. Roar roar, the lion's here, the king of beasts we all can cheer. Golden mane in the sun so bright, he guards the savannah day and night. The sun sets low, our ride is done. The safari day was full of fun. Goodbye